Hello everybody. Welcome back to the garden. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy this video. We're going to be planting these three opening act blush uh, proven winners phlox. So we'll get these in the ground, but in between rain showers. I don't know if you can tell if it looks like it's going to rain, but we've been getting, the last 30 hours we got another 2 inches of rain, and looks like we're going to get some more here any minute. So get on the stick here and get these in the ground. Got my holes dug. Get the biotone starter fertilizer in the hole. Plants this size, I'll do 20 1/4 and a half a cup. And then really in this compost. Now I forgot my gloves. I guess we'll get dirty hands again. In this compost, I don't need them a whole lot. But this is a Phlox by Proven Winners Opening Act Blush. I picked these up. I went back to that Lowe's and found these. Picked these up for like $4 a piece. You can see they're good, healthy looking plants. A lot of green on. Here's new green, new growth. So $4 a piece. Height, medium height, 18 to 20 inches, 18 to 20 inch spread. Hardying zones 4 to 8 or 30 below zero. Bloom early summer through late summer. Full sun, which is what this space is here. This naturally dwarf early blooming phlox will add a long season of color to your garden with its light lavender pink flowers. The dark green glossy foliage is mildew and disease resistant. So hopefully I can keep the powdery mildew off of them. Grows best in consistently moist, well-drained soil and full sun. You know, is it just me or is that pretty much all perennials, all plants? Consistently moist, well-draining. Other words, no clay. Thrives with regular fertilization. Provide good air circulation. Pair with dianthus, daylilies, hibiscus, Shasta daisies, and veronica. Okay, so let's get these in the ground before it starts raining. Oh, look, here's even one about to bloom. So maybe we'll get a little color here at the end. I don't know, though. It's supposed to get like in the 30s, and even down to 32, 31 the next few nights. We'll mess these roots up a little bit. All right, we'll get this one in the hole. Of all days to forget my gloves, good old muddy, wet soil. But like I said before, there's a little dirt on a gardener's hands. You know, if they're not dirty, we're not working, right? Big old worm. Lots of worms in here. All right. One thing is, I don't think I want to need to water these in because that's good and muddy. All right, there's one. Ooh, this one's, look at the roots on this thing. It's trying to spread in the container. The roots coming everywhere. All right, baby. Good old maple tree over here. I just now put this leaf hummus down here and it's already infiltrated it. That's why I say no more maples or oaks unless I have a piece of property that I can put them a mile away from everything. Because their roots just, they just take over, man. Woo! I'm gonna have fun washing my hands today, huh? Look at this. Muddy, muddy. Fun to play in the dirt, right? Gardeners. That's what we like to do. I don't think I put any leaf or biotone starter fertilizer in that hole, did I? Put some around it. Oh, I got some in that one. Oh, I did have some in them. I did all three of them first, didn't I? Oh, let's get you in here, baby. All right. There we have it. They're in the ground. Whew, the soil's kind of cold. Or my hands are anyway. Thinking weeds. Mother. All right, guys. There they have it. They're in the ground. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you, look here, we got blooms. Hope you have a good day. Have a chance to get in your garden. Stay dry. And if not, I hope this suffices, as I say all the time, for a garden fix for you for the day. I think these do well here. The ground is soggy. I get my shirts dirty and my camera dirty. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. See you in the next one, I hope. Ciao.